Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating a footer here for our website that started off with our free version of the header and footer plugin that we got for Elementor since we're using the free version of Elementor. So without further ado, let's jump over to the back end of our site. We're going to start off here on our dashboard. We're going to scroll down to Appearance. Then we're going to scroll over here to Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click on that. Now here we had our first header that we created. I'm going to go ahead, since we're going to be creating a footer, click Add New Header or Footer. So we're going to click that. And I'm going to name this First Footer. Then I'm going to come down to type of template, and obviously it's going to be a footer. Then over here, display on, we want to display it on the entire website. User role, we're going to select all. Enable layout for canvas template, we don't have to check that if we don't need to. Go ahead, publish. Now we're going to go ahead and click edit with Elementor, which should now bring us over here to our design page where we're going to start laying out our elements for our footer. So first we're going to grab this. We're using a flex box again. Just remember that, guys. We're going to click the box and we're going to create a 4-column or container box. Right now, we're going to set it to 1440. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab our logo right here. So grab an image, drag in that box or container, full size. And here is our logo. Select. And I'm just going to go ahead right now and just change the color of this. This whole container. And I'm going to change that color to black. Okay. Now I'm going to grab headers. And we're going to call this one About. Let's go ahead and style this one first. I'm going to center. Going to be white. I'm going to change the font to Latin. Then we're going to change it to uppercase. Now we're going to resize this. And we're going to keep it at 26. And I think that looks good. Now we're just going to duplicate this. We're going to the rest of our containers. Now we have these in the containers. We're going to just change these. We're going to put service right here. For this, we're going to put follow us. So now we have widgets. We have some headers in our boxes, in our containers. Let's go ahead. We're going to grab the list. I like to use this for the links. Instead of using like the menu, I like to use the list right here. We're going to remove our icons. It's just doing these, duplicate these. Center. I'm going to change the color to white. Well, this between, we're going to add some space between the list right here So these will be used as links for you guys. Let's just use these as a placeholder just to show you how it will look. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate, bring this over here. Just like that. And if you want to add more links, because you could just change the names right here, and you could add a link right here. And now we're going to go for our social media icons. I'm going to type here social icons and put it right there. I'm going to change the shape to circle. Well, we're going to change the official color to custom. The primary color, we're going to keep it white. The secondary color, we're going to give it this green. Something close to what we had before. Good, now it's good. And we're going to change the size. We're going to add some space in between. Put that a little bit smaller. Okay, that looks good. And let's look like this. We're going to add some padding up here. We're padding right here. We're going to put a padded top 20, padded bottom 20 as well. And I think the space between the top and bottom looks really good. Now for our last step is we're going to add a little bottom bar right here. So we're going to grab text right here. Center the text, make it white. We're going to come over to the container right here, and we're going to change the color of this container to something like a light gray. Something like that. And let's look at this. We're also going to put some padding on this as well, just a little bit. We're going to put a pattern of 10 top and 10 at the bottom. We're going to take out this text since it will be more like, let's say, a site is called Lorem Ipsum, and then we'll have Pike, all right, reserved. So it will look something like this. Now let's back up and look. And I believe that looks good, guys. Let's publish this. It's actually published or displayed for an entire site. This should pop up right below here. So let's refresh our page. And there is our footer, guys. And as you guys know, I do like borders, so let's go ahead and put a little white border right down here. So we're gonna come with the style. It's solid. And then we're only gonna be doing a bottom border of 1 pixel. Your border color, we're gonna change to white. Let's publish that. Refresh. That's it. A simple basic footer, guys. Nothing too fancy. You can go further with it. I am gonna put a border on the top as well, just to see what it looks like. I'll probably take off this border right here. Let's do that. So refresh. And I think that looks much better. Taking off the border from here, put it right here. And the more we populate our page with more info, the more it will flow and look way much better, guys. So next thing we're gonna have to do real quick is go ahead and make this responsive. No, I think this looks good already, as though it is. The only thing we could probably do right now is put our font size down from 26 to maybe 22. Let's copy. I'm gonna paste this style right here. Paste this style right here as well. Let's resize, make these icons a little bit smaller. They're at 21 right now. I think 16, that's good. That's perfect. We're gonna keep our logo the same size, except for this. Oh, so that is what we have right now. Now let's put the logo. And I think this looks good, guys. The only thing I would probably give is put some space between them, but again, I don't see any space needed. Let's go to publish. Let's refresh. Now let's check for responsive in our footer. There you go, guys. Simple, basic footer. Use an Elementor header and footer government. Guys, if this video was helpful, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.